Jose Ortega and I work for Sierra. I'm actually their scrap buyer. So I go out to the field and purchase some scrap to bring into the yard. I've been for Sierra going on 15 years. I started sorting and I escalated myself to being a field rep and now a buyer. So not a bad deal. We have our gentleman there that's been operating for a long time, Antonio Lara, so he's the main operator for the BARKO crane. We don't have to use a magnet today, just grapple, and it makes it a lot easier for us and a lot quicker, faster, in and out kind of thing. Today, what we did is we started this cleanup on Friday for South Valley Pump, which we've done business with them for a long time. We came back, they gave us more scrap for us to come grab and pretty much just get them cleaned out. Customers happy and we get to scrap.